Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon. Please type present in your chat box.
You must check. Cool to Miss.
Okay ആണോ?
ഓക്കെയാണ്.
Okay.
പിന്നെ വരുന്നു.
പിന്നെ ഒച്ചേ പോയി മിസ്സേ. മിസ് മൈക്കോട്ട് അടുത്തേക്ക് പിടിക്കും.
പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടോ? കേൾക്കുന്നില്ലേ?
ഇല്ല, നല്ലോടത്ത് കേൾക്കണം മിസ്.
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
ഓക്കെ.
പക്ഷെ ഭയങ്കര നോയിസ് ഉണ്ട്.
ഇന്നൊരു കരകരപ്പ് നോയിസ് മിസ്സിന് എടുക്കുന്നു.
അത് പണിയെടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. Shall we start?
Yes, miss.
പക്ഷേ
Okay. How was your exam?
easy.
Good.
Yes.
Good.
Really good.
മിസ് എക്സാമിന്റെ മാർക്ക് ഈസി.
മാർക്ക് ഞാൻ പിന്നെ പറയും.
മിസ് ബെസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റുഡന്റിനെ പറ.
ബെസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റുഡന്റ്.
Best student. Okay. Delvin. Delvin, can you say anything? Okay, now we can start our new lesson, isn't it?
Yes, miss.
Please turn on your videos.
Yes, miss.
Did you complete your homeworks?
Yes, miss.
Then why don't you send me?
കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ഫിനിഷ് ആക്കാനുണ്ട്.
I am asking you about the homework, not notes. You have a homework, newspaper report, isn't it? Only just start send it to me.
അതെങ്ങനെയാന്ന്?
Newspaper report. Newspaper വായിച്ചിട്ടും കൂടി ഇല്ലെന്നോ?
അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
എന്നിട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ് നിങ്ങൾ ആരും പറഞ്ഞില്ലല്ലോ എഴുതാൻ അറിയില്ല എന്ന്. എല്ലാവരും എഴുതാൻ സമ്മതിച്ചല്ലോ.
കുറെ പത്രം ഇരിപ്പുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ എല്ലാം കൂടി പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു.
Please turn on your videos. Okay, now we are moving to our next chapter. Try to write newspaper report. Okay, Sri Vishnu, turn on your video. Now we want to start our new chapter. Little girls wiser than men. Little girls wiser than men. Author of this chapter is, who is the author? You can see. Who is the author?
Leo Tolstoy.
Leo Tolstoy. Yes. And Leo Tolstoy is a Russian novelist. Here we are going to study a story written by Leo Tolstoy. And shall we start?
ഭയങ്കര sound.
അത് പുറത്ത് പണി നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, അതിന്റെ സൗണ്ടാണ്. Okay, shall we start? Please listen carefully. It was an early Easter. Sledging was only just over. Snow still lay in the yards and water ran in streams down the village street. Yes. Here you can see the situation. It was an early Easter. You can see the meaning of early Easter. Here, winter was still coming to an end. Here, early Easter means winter was still coming to an end. Yes. Here, the season is winter and this winter was still coming to an end. Halima, please turn on your video. Yes, sledging was only just over. Sledging means the activity of traveling on the snow. Is it clear? It was an area that is covered with snow. And this winter season is going to end.
നല്ലപോലെ സൗണ്ട് മിസ്സേ, നല്ലപോലെ സൗണ്ട് മിസ്സേ, ഭയങ്കര ഒച്ചയുണ്ട്.
ഭയങ്കര ഒച്ചയത് പുറത്ത് പണിയെടുക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. കുറച്ച് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യും കേട്ടോ. ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് കേൾക്കുക. Okay. Snow still lay in the yards and water ran in streams down the village street. Yes, here we can see a village street, and in that street, snows are still lay in the yards of homes. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Water ran in streams down the village street. We can see water is flowing through the streams in that village street. Here we are discussing about a village. It is the winter time and sledging was just over, only just over. We can see snow in the yards and still snow in the yards, and water flows down through the village street. Is it clear? Any
Yes,
doubt?
miss. Yes, miss.
Then, two little girls from different houses happened to meet in a lane between two homesteads where the dirty water after running through the farmyards had formed a large puddle. Yes, here we are going to study about two little girls.
വീഡിയോ ഉണ്ടാക്കുമ്പോൾ ക്ലിയർ ഇല്ല.
വീഡിയോ ഉണ്ടാക്കുമ്പോൾ ക്ലിയർ ഇല്ലെന്നോ? ആരാ പറഞ്ഞത്? അഫ്രാസ്. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം ഓഫ് ചെയ്യാം. Okay, then Sri Vishnu, Heaven, please turn on your videos.
ഹെവൻ ഓൺ ആണല്ലോ മിസ്സേ, എനിക്കിവിടെ.
Okay. Now, yes, these two little girls from different houses happen to meet in a lane between two homesteads. Here we can see two little girls, and they are meeting. They met in a lane. Lane means narrow road. They met in a narrow road between two homesteads. Homesteads means, you can see the meaning, big houses and the surrounding areas of land usually used as farms. Yes, you can see big houses and the surrounding areas of land usually used as farms. Yes, these girls are meeting in a place where between two houses where the dirty water after running through the farmyards had formed a large puddle. Yes. Farmyards. Farm എന്താണ്? അവിടെ കൃഷി ചെയ്യുന്ന സ്ഥലമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടുന്ന് എന്താണ്? Dirty water ഒക്കെ flow ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. We can see flowing of dirty water. This dirty water is flowing through the street. Page number 18. Puddle means muddy water. The two little girls from different houses happened to meet in a lane between two homesteads where the dirty water after running through the farmyards had formed a large puddle. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് ഇവര് ഒരു നാരോ റോഡിൽ കൂടി പോവുകയാണ്. ഈ വീടുകളുടെ ഫാം ഹൗസ് എന്താണ് ഈ വീടുകളുടെ മുന്നിലേക്കുള്ള ഒരു നാരോ റോഡിലേക്ക് കൂടി ഇവർ നടന്നു പോവുകയാണ്. ചെളിവെള്ളമൊക്കെ എന്താണ് ആ റോഡിലേക്ക് കൂടെ ഒഴുകുന്നത് നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റും. Is it clear? Yes. One girl was very small, the other a little bigger. Then the author is describing about the girls. One is very small and other is a little bigger than the first one. Is it clear? Two girls, one is small and other is little bigger than the first one. Then their mothers had dressed them both in new frocks. Their mothers had dressed them both in new frocks. Yes, they wore new frocks. അവരിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് എന്താണ്? പുതിയ ഡ്രസ്സാണ്. അവരുടെ അമ്മയാണ് അവരെ പുതിയ ഡ്രസ്സ് ഇടിപ്പിച്ച് വിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. The little one wore a blue frock. The little girl wore a blue colored frock. Then the other a yellow prince and both had red kerchiefs on their heads. Yes. Here we can say the dressing of these girls. The little one wore a blue colored frock. The other wore a yellow printed dress and both had red kerchief on their heads. You can see red colored kerchief on their heads. This is their way of dressing. They had just come from church when they met. Yes, they are coming from church. When they met, they are coming from church. And first they showed each other their finery and then they began to play. Yes, first they show their finery means beautiful clothes worn on special occasions. You have already said that it was an early Easter, isn't it? So they wore special clothes, special beautiful clothes, and here they show their clothes each other and then they began to play. Then they started to play. They showed their clothes each other and they started to play. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then next one. Soon the fancy took them to splash about in the water, and the smaller one was going to step into the puddle, shoes and all, when the elder checked her. Yes. Soon the fancy took them to splash about in the water. Yes. Soon they felt a desire to splash this water. എന്താണ് ഈ വെള്ളത്തിൽ ഇറങ്ങിയിട്ട് ഒന്ന് കളിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അവർക്കൊരു ആഗ്രഹം. അതിലേക്കൂടെ മഡി വാട്ടർ ഫ്ലോ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞായിരുന്നല്ലോ ഫസ്റ്റ് പാരഗ്രാഫില്. അപ്പൊ ഇവർക്ക് അതിൽ ഇറങ്ങിയിട്ടൊന്ന് കളിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടൊരു ആഗ്രഹം. And the smaller one was going to step into the puddle, shoes and all, when the elder checked her. Yes, the small girl is going to step into that puddle, step into that muddy water, and yes, she wore shoes and all. When the elder checked her, during that time, the elder one told her not to step down into that mud water with shoes and good dress. Don't go in so, Malasha, said she. Your mother will scold you. I will take off my shoes and stockings and you take off yours. Yes. This elder one asked to Malasha. Malasha is the younger, the small one. Don't go in so, Malasha. You should remove your shoes and stockings. Shoes and socks and you take off yours. I will take my shoes and stockings and you take off yours. എന്താണ് ഷൂസും സോക്സും ഒക്കെ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വേണം ആ വെള്ളത്തിലേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. അതർവൈസ് യുവർ മദർ വിൽ സ്കോൾഡ് യു. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിന്റെ അമ്മ നിന്നെ ചീത്ത പറയും. സോ യു ഷുഡ് റിമൂവ് യുവർ ഷൂസ് ആൻഡ് സ്റ്റോക്കിംഗ്സ് ലൈക്ക് ഐ ഡു. ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ? Malasha is the younger one and this elder girl is saying to Malasha not to use shoes or stockings while stepping into that muddy water. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then they did so. Yes, both of them removed their shoes and stockings. Then picking up their frocks, they began walking towards each other through the puddle. Yes. Then they picked up their frocks and they began to walk through this muddy water. They began to walk through this muddy water and then the water came up to Malasha's ankles. And she said, "It is deep, Akaulia. I am afraid." Yes. Here you can get the names of two girls. What is their names?
Malasha.
Malasha and Akaulia.
Malasha. Yes, Malasha and Akaulia. Okay. Now they are in the puddle. They are in the muddy water. The water came up to Malasha's ankles. How the position of water is up to Malasha's ankles. And she said, "It is deep, Akaulia. I am afraid." Yes, Malasha said to Akaulia that it is deep. നല്ല ആഴമുണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു, ഇതിന് എനിക്ക് പേടിയാവുന്നു എന്ന് മലാഷ പറയുന്നു അക്കൗലിയോട്. Come on, replied the other. Don't be frightened. It won't get any deeper. Yes. During that time, Akaulia says that, "Come on, don't worry. Don't be frightened. I won't get any deeper. It's not a deep one." When they got near one another, Akaulia said, "Mind, Malasha, don't splash. Walk carefully." Yes. They are very near to each other and Akaulia said, "Mind, Malasha, don't splash. Walk carefully." Yes. Splash means don't splash water. വെള്ളം ഇങ്ങനെ എന്താണ് തെറിപ്പിക്കരുത്, വെള്ളം തെറിപ്പിക്കരുത് എന്ന് ആര് പറയുന്നു? അകൗല്യ മലാഷിനോട് പറയുന്നു. മൈൻഡ് മലാഷ, ഡോണ്ട് സ്പ്ലാഷ്, വാക്ക് കെയർഫുള്ളി. ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് നടക്കുക. യു ഷുഡ് വാക്ക് കെയർഫുള്ളി. Okay, then we have, let's revise. 3 questions. Why was the water dirty?
ഫാമിലത്തെ വെള്ളം കൊണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Yes, very good. The water was dirty because it had run through the farmyards. This water is coming from the farmyards. So we can say that the water is dirty. And next one, who was younger, Akaulia or Malasha? Who was younger?
മലാഷ.
Yes, yes, Malasha. Malasha is the younger girl. Third one, what was Malasha afraid of?
The water
വെള്ളത്തിന്
is
ആഴമുണ്ടോ?
Yes. When the water in the puddle reached Malasha's ankles, she got frightened because she thought that it had a deep depth. Is it clear? It's only for revise. Okay. Then next one. She had hardly said this when Malasha plumped down her foot so that the water splashed right on Akaulia's frock. Yes, but Malasha plumped down her foot so that water splashed right onto Agaulia's frock. Agaulia said Malasha not to split or splash water, but Malasha didn't obey that, isn't it? Malasha plumped or splashed water to Agaulia, and Agaulia's clothes become dirty with that water. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. The frog was splashed and so were Agaulia's eyes and nose. Yes. Then, not only the frog, Agaulia's eyes and nose were also wet now. Is it clear? Yes. Then, when she saw the stains on her frock, she was angry and ran after Malasha. Malasha was frightened, and seeing that she had got herself into trouble, she scrambled out of the puddle and prepared to run home. Yes. When she saw the stains of mud, stains of water in her frock, she was angry and ran after Malasha. Yes. Now Agaulia is very angry and she is running after this Malasha. Malasha was frightened. During that time, Malasha became frightened. And seeing that she had got herself into trouble, she scrambled out of the puddle and prepared to run home. So, Malasha felt that she is trapped in a trouble. So, scrambled means to move with urgency or panic. Yes. So, Malasha moved from there, moved out of that muddy water or moved out of that puddle and prepared to run home. And this Malasha is prepared to run to her home. Is it clear? Any
Yes,
doubt?
miss.
Okay. Just then Agaulia's mother was passing. On seeing that her daughter's frock was splashed and her sleeves dirty, she said, "You naughty girl, what have you been doing?" Yes, now Agaulia's mother is passing. Yes, isn't it? Yes, we can see Agaulia's mother was passing. She saw her daughter's frock was splashed and her sleeves dirty. Sleeves means clothing, her clothing. Her daughter's clothing became dirty and she asked, "You naughty girl, what have you been doing?" What are you doing, naughty girl? Why your clothes become dirt? His mother asked to Agaulia. Malasha did it on purpose, replied the girl. Yes. What Agaulia said? Agaulia said that it is done by Malasha. It is done by Malasha. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Any doubt?
No, miss.
Okay. At this, Agaulia's mother scolded Malasha. So, what happened? Agaulia's mother scolded Malasha. Scolded means?
ശകാരിച്ചു.
Yes.
വിളിച്ചു.
വഴക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു. Agaulia's mother scolded Malasha. Malasha began to howl loudly so that she could be heard down the street. Her mother came out. Yes. When Agaulia's mother scolded this Malasha, she began to cry. Howl means cry. She began to cry loudly so that she could be heard down the street. Yes. Her cry was too loud and it can be heard down to the street. Her mother came out. So, mother of Malasha came out. Is it clear? Mother of Malasha heard that her daughter is crying loudly. So she came out from her house. Any doubt?
No, miss.
Okay. What are you scolding my girl for? Said she. One word led to another, and they had an angry quarrel. The men came out, and a crowd gathered in the street, everyone shouting and no one listening. Yes. Then what was the situation? What are you scolding my girl for? Said she. Yes. Malasha's mother came and asked to Akaulia's mother, what are you scolding my girl for? Why are you scolding my girl? എൻ്റെ മോളെ നീ എന്തിനാണ് ചീത്ത പറയുന്നതെന്ന് ആര് വന്നിട്ട് ചോദിക്കുന്നു? മലാശയുടെ അമ്മ വന്നിട്ട് അഗൗല്യയുടെ അമ്മയോട് ചോദിക്കുന്നു. One word led to another and they had an angry quarrel. Yes, they started to quarrel each other. One word led to another. അവര് പരസ്പരം വലിയ വഴക്കായി. They started to quarrel each other. Is it clear? The men came out and a crowd gathered in the street, everyone shouting and no one listening. Yes. Now what is the situation now? The men came out. So many people gathered there while hearing the noise. Everyone shouting and no one listening. Crowd means a group of people. Yes, ആൾക്കൂട്ടം. കുറെ ആൾക്കാരും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ആ നാട്ടിലെ ആണുങ്ങളും എല്ലാവരും എന്താണ് ആ സ്ട്രീറ്റിലേക്ക് വരാൻ വേണ്ടി തുടങ്ങി. Everyone shouting and no one listening. They started to shout each other. അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും അവര് ഷൗട്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. quarrel ചെയ്തു. They are quarreling each other. No one listening. ആരും അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും പറയുന്നൊന്നും ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നില്ല. ഫുൾ അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും quarreling ആണ് നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. They went on quarreling till one gave another a push and the affair had very nearly come to blows. Okay. Then they are quarreling each other till one gave another a push. They are pushing each other and the affair had very nearly come to blows. ഇങ്ങനെ പടർന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് ഈ വിഷയം, ഇങ്ങനെ കാറ്റ് പോലെ പടർന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Then Akaulia's old grandmother stepped in and tried to calm them. Yes. Then we can see Akaulia's old grandmother. She came there in order to stop this quarreling. Who came there?
Grandma.
Yes, Akaulia's grandmother came there to calm down this situation. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Then, what are you thinking of, friends? Yes, this grandmother is asking, what are you thinking of, friends? Is it right to behave so? Is it good to behave like this? This grandmother is asking to all the people there. What are you doing? What are you thinking of, friends? Is it good or right to behave like this? On a day like this too. It is a time for rejoicing and not for such folly as this. Yes. This is a special day because it's an early Easter, isn't it? So, it's not good to fight each other. It is the time for rejoicing. It's the time for enjoying. But why are you quarreling each other? This is not the time to quarrel each other. And not for such folly as this. Folly means foolishness. This is not a time to do foolish things like this. This grandmother reminds this to all the crowd and men gathered there. Is it clear?
Miss, what is the Malayalam of rejoicing?
Rejoicing means enjoying. Any doubt?
No, miss.
No, don't miss.
Okay. Let's revise. You have 3 more questions. How did Agaulia's frog eyes and nose get splashed?
When the Malasha
Malaysia
jumped,
down so that the water splash right onto Julia's throat, eyes and nose.
Yes. Malasha plumped down her foot so that the water splashed right onto Agaulia's frog. The frog was splashed and so were Agaulia's eyes and nose. The second question is, what brought Malasha's mother out of the house? What
the
brought?
howling,
She began to loudly so that she could be heard down the street. The mother came out.
When
Yes.
the mother heard
the Malasha began to house
Malasha's crying.
Yes. Malasha began to howl loudly so that Malasha's mother heard down the voice of Malasha.
Malaysia.
So she came out of house. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Third one, who stepped in to stop the quarrel?
Julia's grandmother.
Grandma.
Yes, very good. Agaulia's old grandmother stepped in to stop the quarrel. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay, then now you should read the first paragraph of the story. Who will read? Adira. Adira, you can read.
It was an early Easter. Sledging was only just over. Snow still lay in the yards and water ran in streams down the village street. Two little girls from different houses happened to meet in a lawn between two homesteads, where the dirty water, after running through the farmyards, formed a large puddle. One girl was very small, the other a little bigger. Their mothers had dressed them both in a new frocks. The little one wore a blue frock, the other a yellow print, and both had red kerchiefs on their heads. They had just come from church when they met, and first they saw.
Okay, very good. Enough. Adira, enough. Very good. Then Sri Vishnu, you can continue.
Set to play out ആണോ അതോ ചർച്ചിൽ when they met ആണ്?
Soon the fancy. You can continue.
When the fancy forced them to slam about in the water, and the smaller one was going to step into the building. But shoes and all, when the older kept her,
Okay, Sri Vishnu, enough. Very good. Then Muhammad Shanif, you can continue.
Don't go in, sir. Malasha said, your mother will scold you.
Scold you.
I will take off my shoes and stockings, and you take off yours. They did so. Then, picking up the frocks, they
began
walking
walking
toward walking
toward each other towards
To the puddle.
to the puddle. The water come up to Malasha and hands, and she said, "It is safe
Akaulya, I am afraid.
I am
Okay.
afraid."
Okay, enough. Next one. Heaven. Heaven.
Heaven left time, sir.
Okay. Then just as you can give.
Come on, replied the other. Don't be frightened. It won't be get any deeper. When they got near one another, Akaulya said, Mind, Malasha, don't splash. Walk carefully. She had hardly said this when Malasha plumped down her foot so that water splashed right onto Agolia's frog. The frog was splashed, and so were Agolia's eyes and nose. When she saw the stains on her frock, she was angry and ran after Malasha. Malasha was frightened, and seeing that she had got herself into trouble, she scrambled out of the puddle and prepared to run home.
Okay, enough. Very good. Okay, our time is over. Now we can wind up and meet in next class. Okay. We have one more period. Okay, bye.
Bye, Miss.
Thank you.
Bye, miss.
Bye, Miss.
Miss.